Okay, so welcome to Friday, page 173. It is May 1st. It's hard to believe. I'm actually doing this on April 30th, but it is May 1st. So the first word, we're going to skip down to number 2. No, we are not. We are going to skip down to number 2. It is the word ridicule. What is the word? Excellent. Ridicule, which means to mock in a mean way, to demean somebody, to look down on them, to make fun of them, to embarrass and scorn and sneer. It's a rough word, ridicule. Very often people will ridicule will ridicule people not for their bad qualities or their flaws, but for their excellent qualities, their virtues, which makes it that much more horrible. Ridicule. Let's go. Ridicule. Ridicule. Let's go. Ridicule. Ridicule. All right, let's dot our I's. We have the two things to mark up. Let's go. Underline the U and the silent E twice. Draw an arrow back. You know the rest. Okay, now something it should sound very similar to the word ridicule is the word ridiculous. How many of you were thinking of that? I thought so. Now, ridiculous, it has that O-U-S, it literally means full of ridicule. However, ridiculous is not such a negative word as ridicule is. It means, absurd or funny or sort of comical in an unbelievable way, hilarious. That's ridiculous. What do you mean you can become a dog? Sort of like that. Okay, so it's much less harmless in that regard. Okay, ridiculous. Let's go. Ridiculous. Ridiculous. Let's go. Ridiculous. Okay, don't forget to dot your I's. We have two things to mark up, so let's go. You got it. Underline the U and the that is the fourth sound. The U can say U at the end of a syllable. That is rule 4. And notice, right, we drop the silent E. That is rule 13. Okay, so let's write that in. And what do we do with these two words? Beautiful. We brace it. So again, ridicule it's a demeaning kind of a humor. It's not funny at all, in fact. Okay, but that mocking, disgusting type of scorn that people have for people's virtues, not for their faults or their flaws. Okay, so the next word is the word invade. What's the word? Beautiful, invade. That's number 4. And of course, we know invade means to conquer or attack, to seize or to capture or to take over, okay? Like the ants started to invade the home, or the termites, and they destroyed it. Invade. Let's go. Invade. Invade. That is number 4. First syllable. Beautiful. Invade. In and second syllable. Vade. Please make sure that you connect your V going up. How do we mark this up? Excellent. Underline the A and the silent E twice. Draw an arrow back. You know the rest. Now, when you invade something, whether it's an animal doing the invading or a person or an insect, doesn't matter, or even bad weather, right? We got invaded the other day by some beautiful weather, but today was kind of nasty. But when you invade something, it's called yes, fabulous, invasion. Let's go. Invasion. Invasion. Like people feel that people coming into their homes is an invasion of their privacy. Invasion. Invasion. It was an old sci-fi movie called The Invasion of the Body Snatchers. Okay, so how do we mark this up? Awesome. Underline the A and the Z, second sound. And we use that Z very often when a word ends with D. Persuade, persuasion. All right, the A can say A at the end of a syllable. Yes, you got it. Good old reliable rule 4. And notice that we drop the silent E, and that is rule 13. All right, what do we do with these two words? Brace, you got it. Now, the next word, skip down to number 6. It is the word difficult. What's the word? Excellent. Difficult. hard or challenging, something that's tough, that's a struggle. Okay? Let's go. Difficult. 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 Number 6. Difficult. Difficult. Okay, don't forget to dot your I's. And again, notice that we divide the syllable by the double consonant. Okay? So again, when something is difficult, they say that you have a lot of, yes, difficulty with it. Difficulty. You have a hard time with it. Difficulty. Let's go. Difficulty. Difficulty. So let's go. Difficulty. I don't like the way this looks. Sorry about that. I gotta cross that out. Okay, so what do we do with these 2 words? You got it. Brace. So let's review now. We have a lot more to do on this page. I'm going to split it up in 2 parts, not 2 days. So let's go. Ridiculous. Ridiculous. Ridicule. Ridicule. Invasion. Invasion. Invade. Invade. And again, getting back to the word invasion, a lot of people who sell security systems, they're trying to protect you against home invasion. No, that's not a house that's attacking. It means people coming into your home without permission, trying to steal or hurt somebody, okay? I know this is a little sloppy, so just bear with me. Difficulty. Difficulty. Difficult. Difficult. You need to say it correctly. Diffi. You divide the syllable by the double consonant. You need to remember that with your spelling.